not remember, one should not forget APJ Abdul Kalam when we are here, because he stayed in a place very near to this. In his book, Wings of Fire, he quoted like this: "We are all born with a divine fire within us, and our efforts should be to lighten this fire, or to give wings to this fire, and to fill the world with the glory of His goodness." Today IPSR Trivandrum is born, and the duty of Trivandrum team is to give wings to this IPSR Trivandrum and to fill the glory of IPSR in the world. So best wishes to IPSR Trivandrum, and I am very sure that they will be able to do that, because it was proved in all other places. Let me take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries who are attending this inaugural function. When we talk about Kerala and when we talk about IT in Kerala, the first name comes to our mind is Technopark Trivandrum. And Mr. Mervyn Alexander is giving a wonderful leadership to the Technopark, and it is scaling new heights nowadays. You all know Techno City is coming up. A lot of faculties are coming up with Technopark. Under his able leadership, I am sure that it will scale more and more heights in the coming years. We are very happy to have Mr. Mervyn Alexander with us in this function and for inaugurating this Trivandrum Center. So on behalf of IPSR family, let me thank Mervyn Alexander. Thank you, sir. Mr. Sudhir Bhaskar came all the way from Mumbai for attending this function as Trivandrum. We are very happy to associate with Sudhir Bhaskar. We are always thankful for all his efforts. We always value our association with Red Hat. In fact, IPSR is known all over the country as the best partner of Red Hat. A lot of thanks to Sudhir Bhaskar for all the support, especially for attending this function. Thank you, sir. Mr. N.G. Nair, a good friend of IPSR, in fact he is the chairman of our sister concern IPSR Training Services. He has been associated with all our academic endeavors, especially when we are starting at Trivandrum. He was helping us in the last few days. Definitely his presence here is a great encouragement for us. On behalf of the whole IPSR family, I extend our thanks to N.D. Nair sir. Vijendran sir, who was supposed to be here, was not able to reach here. On his absence, let me thank Vijendran sir, because he was the person who will be more happy for starting an operations for IPSR in Trivandrum, because he was behind that all the days for a center at Trivandrum. He was helping us in the last few days for planning and arrangements of this office. Thank you, Vijendran sir. In his absence, let me extend all thanks to Vijendran sir. I also thank our director and CEO, Dr. Mendes Jacob. In fact, I have to thank him and I have to congratulate him for starting a new office at Trivandrum. Thank you, sir. I also thank all the dignitaries, placement officers. Father is here who blessed this office 2 weeks back. A lot of dignitaries, a lot of faculties are here. I welcome all. I thank all the faculties, all the students for attending this function. Thank you for your presence. I also thank my colleagues at IPSR, because this was planned in a very short time span. They worked day and night for making this function and making the center open in this short time. Thank you all my colleagues for their efforts. Last but not least, I thank the Almighty for His divine presence. Once again, I thank you all. Best wishes to IPSR Trivandrum. Thank you.